This all started as a passion for food. It was exciting and a real challenge. We've been perfecting the recipes to make our salami over a number of years.
We made a lot of mistakes, but you learn from the mistakes and you grow.
All the salami is made the traditional Italian way,
but with our own unique ingredients and recipes that we've developed over time.
And we don't cut corners. It all starts after the salami has been filled into cases.
And then hung on the racks, and then we move the trolley to the fermentation room, and it begins its 3-month journey through curing. Although we've got high-tech machines, it's a very artisanal process. It's hands-on. Luckily, we've worked with the same small team over the years, and the guys know what to do. That's all about the curing process, is losing the 30%, at least 30% of the weight. It hasn't been easy.
Oh, ups and downs, some failures in the beginning and everything, and costs, but we've achieved it, and I think we've gone beyond what we ever imagined. It's just been unbelievable.
Yeah, no, I agree. It's taken time.
It's taken time, and Col'tempo is with time, and that's what our product is.
For sure.
Everything, good quality, takes time to make.
Thank you.
Well done, thank you. Happened together, huh?